Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Rani Devara English Lit. So now we are going to talk about phrasal prepositions from parts of speech. Playlist will be there up to compound prepositions in this channel. If you are interested, you can check out. And my subscribers and rest of the people too who are watching these videos, let me know your comments in the comment section and whatever you are feeling about this channel and whatever you are feeling after watching these videos and which type of subject you want, so let me know in the comment section. I'll try to do that. So now let's get started today's class. So we are going to converse about phrasal prepositions. So first one, along with, in addition to. Example, she went to temple along with her parents or her friends. Next, away from, a distance from something or somebody. Someone who wants to live away from her loss. Next, by way of, in the form of. She expressed her feelings in the form of singing. Due to, in the event of. The match was cancelled due to heavy rain. And next, according to, represented by something or somebody. He is bad according to me. So this is the example for according to. Next one, in spite of, although. In spite of his effort, he couldn't get success. This is the example. Next one, owing to, by that reason. So owing to his illness, he couldn't attend the exam. In comparison to, when we compare something, this house is better in comparison to that house. And next, in place of, instead of. So I had to attend the meeting in place of my official. Next, on behalf of, or in place of, or instead of. So this is also same. I had to attend the function in place of my parents or instead of my parents. On account of, because of. He invited me on account of his birthday. So these are the phrasal words. We'll meet you again with another useful video. Until then, keep watching and practicing. Thank you.